all the way through. Every single thing in life from here on out you can use a calculator for. The reason I didn't on the first test was just to see like fractions and stuff. Like you shouldn't be relying, and again, as you saw yesterday, there, Jake, there was lots of, when you get to calculus and all that stuff, you gotta be fast on fractions. Okay, your homework is, page 114, number 5, 10, and 14. And this will be our last example. 5. Example 5 says, a zombie apocalypse. No, it's the number of people infected by a zombie virus. Yeah. Infected by a zombie virus. Doubles every 30 minutes. If there were initially 50 people infected, make a table and equation. To find how many people are infected after 5 hours. Okay, let me just start by saying zombies are not real. Okay, they will not happen. Mathematicians love zombies though because they're very mathematical. Okay. In this, that's not funny, that's true. Okay. In this zombie outbreak, fictional, let me say first of all, fictional. Every 30 minutes it's going to double. Okay. Initially there's 50 people that are infected. Okay, how many are going to be sick after 5 hours? Now you might say zombies is ridiculous, Mr. Sadler. I don't believe in zombies. That's fine, okay. But if you are in science, if you're a scientist, some people go into science in this class. When you talk about chemistry and biology, they'll talk about cells doubling and being destroyed. That sort of stuff will happen all the time. Okay, so if you're in your science class, you'll actually have questions like this. It won't be zombies. They'll be microbes or whatever, yogurt or whatever they'll make, right? But again, it's the same thing if you remove zombies and put in a scientific laboratory instead. Okay, right, it'll be a real question. Okay, I'm going to show you how I want your table to look, and I want you guys to finish it up here. The table is going to look like time. And then we're going to have zombies. And then we're going to have short form. Okay. At time 0, we have 50 zombies. Can someone be brave and try and tell me what the next sort of entry is going to be here?
What do you mean by short form?
Short form, because what's going to happen when I make an equation out of this?
Oh.
So that we don't need to continue, doing this table forever. So if I were to say, after 20 years, how many zombies are going to be? You don't have to continue, you know what I mean, with the table here for that. Go ahead.
30.
30 minutes, good. How many zombies? Okay. Now this is where the short form comes in. Where did you get, and you can answer this yourself, where did you get 100 from?
Because it doubles.
Double. So how'd you do that though? Where's the mathematical 50 times 2? That's what I wanted to say. Okay, we're okay on that? Okay, I'd like some other brave soul to give me the next entry. Go ahead.
1 hour and
Okay.
the 200.
Yeah, are we going by minutes here? We'll go by minutes, right?
Yeah.
Okay, as far as the short form, what is the short form going to hopefully be here?
100 times 2.
It is 100 times 2, but I don't like 100 times 2. 100 times 2 is correct. There's another way I can do it. Yes.
50 times
50 times 4 is good. I want something else other than 50 times 4. You guys are close. Okay. Sorry. Close. Matt.
50 times 2 to the power of 2.
Ooh, I like it. 50 times 4 is correct, what you say. But I'm just going to call this 50 times 2 squared. Now, all of those are correct. The reason I like this, though, is that when I want to skip steps, I can very, very easily skip steps. Can somebody give me the next one, then we'll see if we do this in a hurry. What's the next entry, please? 120? Or 90, I guess, would be. Yeah, 90 times. Is how many zombies? Nope, not 90. 400. And then it's going to be 50 times 2 cubed. Okay, let's skip a few steps here. And let's get up to 5 hours. How many minutes is 5 hours going to be? Because this is the hard part. How many minutes is that going to be? How do you calculate that? What's 5 hours going to be in minutes? Sorry? Yeah. 60 times 5, which I think is 300 minutes. Now the zombies I can't do in my head. For my short form, could someone reach the aha moment and give me the short form for 5 hours? Matt, you are in the zone today. Go ahead.
50 times 2 to the power of 10.
Oh. That's correct. Can Matt explain or somebody else explain where that 10 came from? Quick before I go. Where did the 10 come from?
5 divided by 2, because every 3 doubles.
Yeah, right on. So if you take a look, 1 hour was 2, 2 hours will be 4, and so on. I got X is right there. And work that out, that ends up being at the character notes. That's a big number. Where was it? That's 500. Yes, please. And if you're bored of calculator, I'll take that back too, please. Excuse me, those calculators. Thank you very much.